Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back with another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this restaurant for your business. So this website is already built and is very responsive. So all we have to do is just install this website, and then we can change all these texts and images or your term for your business. Okay, let's get started by first we'll go to millennialwebsite.com. I will put the link in the description. Once we are here, we can go over here and click the build website. As you can see, we have a few available templates over here. I'm currently adding more templates, so you have more options. But we can browse these templates by click over here. As you can see, it's very responsive and fast. Okay, we can continue by clicking use this template. Over here, we have the plan for your website. This is the whole package, including domain name, SSL certificates, and others pro plugins. As you can see over here, this is the free generic domain. That means it will include the millennialwebsites.com, then slash, for example, my restaurant. And over here is the free custom domain name, meaning it will be your store, your store.com, like that. Okay, it's up to you to choose which fit your business the most. For this one, you can also link the GoDaddy domain name or others domain name here. For this tutorial, I will choose this one to make it simple. Okay, over here we'll enter the name for our website, my restaurant. The URL, this is the generic URL I was talking about right here. Okay, so we'll choose my restaurant. Make sure there's no space in the URL. We can continue by clicking here. As you can see, it's searching for the domain name. So these are the free domain name you can choose from. But in this tutorial, I'll just skip it. Over here, we can create our username. Okay, click agree to terms. You can read them. Okay, create account. Okay, the last step will be activate the website. This will require you to pay the first month of your subscription. It should be very simple. All we have to do is just click here, and it will take you to Stripe checkout. This is powered by Stripe. All your informations will be kept secure by Stripe. Okay, you can check out with Visa, MasterCards. Enter your name on the cards and the billing address. After that, all we have to do is just hit subscribe. Then we'll be able to log into our website. Okay guys, after we hit the subscribe button, we'll be able to log into the backend of our websites. Here we have a lot of junks that we don't want, so we can simply either we can hit the hide notifications forever. We can hide these, or we can continue to set up these, but for now I'll just skip them, and then we can hide those windows here. There we go. Now it's much cleaner for our dashboard, for our eyes. Here we are. We can click over here to check out the front end of the website. There you go guys. Now we have the website for our use. We can design anything we want. This one is powered by WordPress, and we have the Elementor Pro here. We can edit these by just simply click on here. Elementor is a drag and drop web builder. It's make it very easy to make changes to our website. As you can see, when we hover over these images or these texts, we can change them. For example, let's say we can change this to we can change this here, or we can just click over here and change this to restaurant. There we go. This is Italian. We can change this into American. There we go. We can even add links here. We can choose our page also, and there's more options for us. Okay, we can change the size of the text. There we go. Once we're done, we can simply hit the update. There you go. Okay, we can browse the changes we just made to our live website. There you go. Okay, so what happened if we want to change the images? We can just click on it, or we can click over here. There we go. Now we can choose the images. If you have images you want to upload to your website, just simply click here. Then you can browse all the images that you have. Okay, we can choose one, for example. Okay, this one. Open. Boom. There you go. Now we can hit insert image. There you go. Now you just change the image on your website. What happened if you want to go back? You can also go over here, navigator, or you can go to the history. We can go over revision. We can roll back. There we go. And you can see over here is the same thing. We can change these items on the menu by just simply click on the edit with Elementors, and then you'll be able to make changes very easy. There you go. We can change the price to 35, and then it's just that. Change this image the same way we just did earlier. There we go. Okay, it's very easy to make changes to these website because it's powered by Elementor. Okay, we can click over about us. See, we can change the images, the background, the settings. There are thousands of people that's already use Elementor Pro, and they make a great tutorial on showing you how to make these. So basically the website is just a tool for you to make simple websites, and then from there you don't really have to worry about like purchasing hosting, and then purchasing domain name, and then purchasing SSL certificate, then connecting them together, then install the themes, install plugins for your website. So this is the whole package that's make it very simple for you to install the website, and then from there just make changes for your need, you know. Over here we have the map. We can just simply click over here. It's very simple, guys. And then we can change the location to like New York, and boom, there you go. Now we are in New York, and we can zoom in and out. There you go. Now we can change the height of the theme of the map itself, you know. Then change the hours over here. The contact form, we can also change this. Over here we have the form already configured, but yeah, okay, we can browse over here, preview changes, and we can also go back to the dashboard. We can go to the W forms, and we can create a forms for your business also. Just hit edit. Then from here we can drag and drop these items on your contact forms. Let's say you want to add like a drop down. Okay, we just do this just like that. I forgot to exit this out. That's why the page is refreshed, but we can go back here. Okay, drop down just like that. Now we can click to edit these options. We can change the label to menu, for example. We can change the size. Okay, when we're done, we can save this. We can check the page. There we go. Okay guys, one last thing I want to show you guys is that what happens if we want to add a new page to the menu here. Okay, it's very simple. All we have to do is just hit on the new page. Okay, once we are here, all we have to do is just name the page specialty. Okay, we hit publish. Now we just create a new page. Now we can add a new template to the page we just created over here. Okay, here we have Elementor Pro, but Elementor require you to have an account with them to install these pro templates. We can offer you that, but for these we can simply hit the free template. Just like that, you just install a new page for your website. Once we're done, we just hit update. Okay, we can preview it here, close this out. Okay, now we can add the new page to the menu by clicking on customize. Then we can choose the menu here, then primary menu, then we add a new item, then we choose specialty, and just like that, as you can see, specialty is available over here. We can drag and drop the orders of the page. Boom. Then we publish it. Just like that, guys. We have a specialty on our menu. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This one I tried to make it very short and simple, to the point, so you guys can follow easily. I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to support. I would really appreciate all your help and support. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.